let me conclude by talking about my belief in the long term. Of late, there have been several voices that wonder if India target to be a $5 trillion economy over the next 4 years is achievable. I personally see it is an inconsequential question. History has shown that out of every pandemic crisis, there emerges several learnings, and I believe that India and the world are wiser as we go through this pandemic. India will be a $5 trillion economy and then go on to be a $15 trillion plus economy over the next 2 decades. India will emerge as one of the largest global markets, both in terms of consumption size and market capitalization. There will be bumps along the road, as has been the case in the past and is expected to be the case in the future. However, there cannot be any doubt that the largest middle class that will ever exist, augmented by an increase in the working age of and consuming populations, will have a positive impact on India's growth, very much in line with the demographic dividend India enjoys. I have no reason to believe that over the next 2 decades, we will not have been able to suitably address the challenges ahead of us. India is at the start of a virtuous cycle that is driven by the growth in the middle class population, and our nation today has the longest runway of any country in the world. Jai Hind.